This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joanne Thoke. Why wait? Stonecreek's Tribeca floor plan is waiting for you. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, formal dining room plus a den/office. Don't miss the built-ins in the garage for additional storage. The beautifully arranged kitchen/great room makes entertaining your family or more formal gatherings a breeze. This house offers tile flooring throughout, a gas stove, gas hot water, gas dryer, upgraded lighting, upgraded toilets, quiet close drawers and cabinets, upgraded epoxy garage floor, UV lights in the closets, additional electric outlets on the lanai, all new landscaping and so much more. And #XD and #SAW and #XD and #SAW. Enjoy all of the above and then additionally enjoy living in one of Naples' finest communities with a lovely community center which is not far from the beach, not far from some of the finest restaurants, not far from the airport and not far from the interstate. Stonecreek is conveniently located in North Naples with easy access to all areas. For more information, review the details below or contact Joanne Thoke at 239-404-5588.